Flow, Spirit, flow through me as I open up to be an expression of your unfolding peace. Show, Spirit, show through me as I open up to be an expression of your unfolding love. Now join me now. Flow, Spirit, flow through me as I open up to be an expression of your unfolding peace. Show, Spirit, show through me as I open up to be an expression of your unfolding love.
And so continuing in the flow of the unfolding love, you simply breathe in, all the way in and all the way out, knowing that that breath is the breath of life, the breath of love, the breath of freedom. It's the breath of grace. And that breath moves in through and adds each and every cell of every being, each and every aspect of life. We see it, we hear it, we feel it in the breeze, in the trees, in the sun on the rocks, in the movement of the water. And we truly remember that all is one. All is one. And I am one with the perfection of the one. I am one with the flow of the one. And as I am, so must every single living creature be one with the one. And so breathing into that knowingness, breathing into that flow, breathing into that grace and freedom and love, we simply let it permeate every cell, every fiber, every thought, every idea, every belief. And we know that everything that comes from that space is the space of God, is the space of divine. And it is as near as our breath. And so with deepest gratitude for all that is becoming, the flow that is right here, the freedom that is right here, the love and the grace that are right here, we simply take the breath, letting it be, knowing it already is. And together we simply say, and so it is.
Let's sing together. Flow, Spirit, flow through me as I open up to be an expression of your unfolding peace. Show, Spirit, show through me as I open up to